What's going on, everybody? My name is Josh from Extrusion Overland. Today we're going to show you how to install the Trailgate system into your Super Duty. Now the factory insert that comes with these trucks is, well, not comfortable if you have to climb into the bed, as well as the cup holders are not fully recessed, so it's easy to knock drinks over. For this install, you're only going to need a Phillips head #1 as well as a Torx 25 bit. This is one of those times where we say it's a 10 to 15 minute install, and it really is. So let's get started. Step one is going to be taking your T25 or Torx 25 bit and removing the 8 screws along this top section of the tailgate. Once you have those 8 Torx bit screws removed, you can take off this top panel like so. Get that off to the side. Now your Trailgate will come with a new set of hardware, and these are going to be the Phillips head #1 that we were talking about in the beginning of this video. Now that you have that top section removed, you can grab your Trailgate, align the cup holders towards the top or towards you, pull all the way up to line up flush with the top of the tailgate, and all you're going to want to do is just adjust it until the OEM holes line up with the new Trailgate. Take your new hardware, put them in. Well, there you guys have it. That is just how easy this Trailgate is to install on your rig. Again, a T25 bit as well as a Phillips head #1, and you can do this in 10 to 15 minutes. Enjoy a cold beer. But this is one of those times where a 10 to 15 minute install is the truth. Visit the XTR Offroad website to get yours today.